Hi guys, today we are going to study about how to set up a new document in Adobe Illustrator. So here we go with that. I just on my Illustrator. Luckily we are using the latest version 2019. That is very latest version we are going to use now. Okay. Here we have some interface of our Adobe Illustrator. So you can see here we have in left corner. I just maximize that. Yeah, exactly. Here you can see here we have some new things to create over here, right? The first option we have that is like create new, and the second option we have a open. Create new is for you to set up a fresh new document, and open is for you to work on your existing document. So फिलहाल के we are going to start with the create new document, and for creating new document it's two ways. Just click on this button, or you can use the shortcut that is with Control plus N, and I'm pressing Control plus N or Command plus N on my keyboard. So I'm getting this panel over that's called a new document. You can see over here. Okay. In this latest version of Adobe Illustrator, you can see we have some beautiful things like presets, like what I'm talking about. That is about mobile. If you're working with the mobile presets, you have an option over here. If you're working with the web purpose, you have an option over here. If you want to work with the print purpose, you have an option over here. But still this is like you can say about the presets. But if you want to set up a new document like in your manner, you can go option, you can say preset details. You can see over here the first option you have, that is what document you are going to start. For example, if you're designing something logo, you can just write the name logo. If you're designing something character, you can just start with the character. So I'll just write my channel name, that is animated flex, and here we come down. After giving the name to my document, you have two options to give your size to your artboard. Okay, so here we have some pixels, that is units you can say. In this you have to select in which units you want to be comfortable with. That is your points, pixels, inches, millimeter, centimeter, pixel. It's your choice how way you are comfortable to work with. I'm comfortable with inches. I'm always going with the inches. For example, I want to send a A4 size paper. Basically I have one A4 size paper presets over here, you can see over here, but still I want to do it in my way. So I'm just going with the in inches, and the you can see the A4 size preset is already given, but still if you want to change, you can just name 15 by I want to change it to 10th one. That is the option. I want my page should be there. Next option you have over here, that's called orientation. Orientation means your paper should be in landscape or portrait. That's your choice, vertically or horizontally you can say. So it's my choice once again. And next option you have a artboard. It means in one document how many artboards you want. Artboards you can consider as your pages. Like in one book how many pages you want. In same way in new document how many artboards you want. So I just require one artboard, so I'm just taking one in that. The next and a beautiful option once again called bleed over here. Bleed means that after the page, outside the page, how much space you want. The maximum space you can set over here, that is only and only 1 inch, not more than that. You can go with the point option also, that one going down, but you can just maximum you can go with the 1 inches only. Here we're having some link break option. You can say if you're breaking this link, you can individually you can do a space to all the side, but I don't think it's required for us. Okay, so next option you have, you can see over here advanced option. Advanced option will take you to your color mode, raster effects, and preview mode. Okay, so what is color mode now? Color mode means we have two types of color mode over here, that is your RGB colors and secondary CMY colors. When to use which color mode, that is the main question over here. When you are using RGB color mode, that means you're designing for something digital purpose that you're going to show on or display on screen. And but if you want to print your design, if you're designing something to get printed, so you have to choose CMYK color, that is cyan, magenta, yellow, and krypton. Okay, that's the option you have over here. And that you have a raster effects. So always I say ki whenever you want to print something your design, to always use 300 ppi, that is per pixel inch. PPI stands for per pixels inch. Okay, always use high. And preview mode, it's like आपको कौन से preview mode में देखना है, तो choose as a default option, that is very fine. You can set it over here. Okay, so after setting up this all the settings over here, just say create. Once you have created, your new document will be created. Yeah, here we go. This is the option. Because of the bleed, you can see this red line. This red line becomes because of your bleed option, and this is your artboard what we have said with the A4 size in portrait mode. That's the option you have over here. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, and in next video I'm going to teach you about the interface of our Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so thank you.